Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can use the Microsoft Copilot to create images using the power of the AI really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to Microsoft Copilot, log into your account in the top right corner, for example, your Microsoft or using your Google account. And as you can see, I already created or used the power of Microsoft Copilot AI to create a stunningly beautiful image like that. I may, for example, save on my or export on my device to use it for my projects, guys. So this is how you can do it. Simply click on that button in the top left corner, start a new chat, just like that. And after that, give Copilot the command to create an image. And after that, simply enter your prompt. You may use one of these suggestion prompts below, or you simply type in your own prompt here, just like that. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial, just like that, and press enter or confirm by clicking on that button here. After that, the artificial intelligence will instantaneously start preparing your AI image here, just like that. It may or may not take a moment, so give it a second and I'll see you guys just in a moment. And there you go. After a moment, you will be given your image powered or created by the AI. So now you may, for example, share it by clicking on that button here, or export it and save it on your device, for example. To use it, you may also rate it by leaving a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You may also write something like thank you or something like that. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you create images using Microsoft Copilot. I hope you enjoyed this video, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.